Thank you for clicking on my video. If you are new here, I'm Ashley and I have been doing a braid out series. So in today's video, it is week 3 of me trying different products on my hair to see how it turns out for a braid out. Now off camera, I did wash my hair and condition my hair with these products that you see on the screen. Now the type of hair that I have is type 4. I have fine to medium hair texture. I have high porosity hair. Now the product that I will be using for this braid out, it's by the Doux. It's their Banana Extreme Gel. Now I have used this product before in the past on a twist out, and I can say that this product has a firm hold. So before applying the product, make sure you spray your hair down with a lot of water. Now this is how much of the product I will be using for this section of my hair, but later on in the video you will see that I will apply some more. Now I do believe that this product already have leave-in conditioner built into it or incorporated into it, so that's the reason why you didn't see me add any leave-in conditioner to my hair. Now this product has great slip. It smells good, of course. It has banana leaf oil in it for moisture and elasticity. It has bamboo oil in it to strengthen your hair. Now this is a non-sponsored video, so these are my honest thoughts and opinions about the product. With that being said, one thing I don't like about the product, it comes in this bottle and I have to use my muscles to try to squeeze out the product at times. And who wants to use their muscles during wash day? Not me. So I just wish they would have this type of product in like a container where I can dip my hands in it, scoop it out and go. Maybe next time I'll just squeeze the product out into like a little bowl or a container or something. But until then, I wish they would just change the bottle. Now that we are all done, we're gonna let this dry overnight for about 2 days because your girl be busy, okay? Now after I let my hair air dry for about 2 days, this is how I'm looking. Now this is the oil I will be applying to my hair as I'm taking it down. Now if you made it this far into the video, please go ahead and make sure you are subscribed. If not, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload more videos. Also drop down in the comments, let me know what you're thinking about the video or if you want me to try a different product. Also share this video, and remember, once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway, so be on the lookout for that. Here you can see that this product gave my hair great definition, great shine. There's no flakiness. It didn't leave any residue. There's no stickiness. It's a firm hold but not a hard, stiff hold, and that's because I use a lot of water before applying the product to my hair. So we are almost at the end of the video, and I just want to take time out to thank everyone for liking up the video and subscribing to my channel. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload week 4 braid out video next week, so you can see which product I use for the next braid out. Until then, you guys, thanks for watching my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!